Mastering Emotional Disguises. Understanding, put up a brave front. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson on a very interesting English phrase. Put up a brave front. This phrase is packed with meaning and is widely used in everyday conversations, literature, and media. Today, we're going to dive deep into what it means, how to use it, and share some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. Let's get started. Put up a brave front is a phrase that combines a few concepts to create a powerful expression. To put up something means to display or show something outwardly. Brave refers to showing courage and facing challenges without showing fear. And front, in this context, refers to a person's outward appearance or the image they project to others. So, when someone puts up a brave front, they are essentially showing a courageous and strong exterior, even if they are feeling scared or uncertain on the inside. This phrase is used in situations where someone is facing a difficult or intimidating scenario and chooses to appear confident and unafraid, despite possibly feeling the opposite. It's a form of emotional disguise or mask that people wear for various reasons, such as to protect their loved ones from worry, to maintain professional decorum, or to muster the courage to face their fears. Here's how you can use it. In storytelling or when describing someone's actions. Despite the bad news, she put up a brave front for her family. To commend someone's courage. I admire how he puts up a brave front in tough times. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase comes to life. A child who is afraid of the dark but puts up a brave front when they hear a scary noise at night. An employee who has just been laid off but puts up a brave front when they tell their family, to avoid worrying them. A person who is nervous about public speaking but puts up a brave front as they step onto the stage. Understanding and using the phrase, put up a brave front, can add depth to your communication, allowing you to express complex emotional states with elegance and precision. It highlights the strength and resilience that people can exhibit, even when faced with challenging situations. We hope this lesson has been helpful and that you'll feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.